Hello, my name is Biragang. I'm going to talk about the ict299 network project, Final Learning Reflection. This is today's agenda. What is my project? What I learned from my project, the notable I made, what I'm going to do next. My project started from the startup company issue. They just start to run their own business, but unfortunately, they meet the realistic issue, such as a financial issue, no peace, no device, etc. These issues always come up when they start their own business. I think about these issues and suggest how to solve them. I found that a cloud service is ideal for startup company because it provides the specific needs of a startup that may not have a space and not have the budget for a physical server or data center. But I have no idea which company cloud service is good for my project because there are so many companies that serve the cloud-based computing platform. Among them, I choose AWS Cloud Service because AWS is the world's most comprehensive and broadly adopted cloud platform, and it provides on-demand delivery of IT resources over the internet with pay-as-you-go pricing. AWS Cloud Service provides more than 100 services, such as compute, database, infrastructure management, application development, and security. Among these services, I have to choose some service that startup company necessarily need. This is the service I have chosen for startup company. First, they needed to create and deploy and implement their own cloud network environment. AWS called VPC, the Virtual Private Cloud. After creating VPC, I created Active Directory, which enables you to administer your user, group, and application and system. And then I think the AWS Workspace service is needed because it provides cloud-based virtual desktop service for your staff. It can act as a replacement for a traditional desktop like a desktop as a service or VDI. And I add the Office 365 application in the virtual desktop, which integrates all Microsoft existing online applications. Finally, I created a website of a startup company using the AWS web hosting service for marketing and information of the company. I think this service I deployed in this project is a basic and essential service for startup company. During this project, I met this challenge. When I selected this project, I know the concept of the cloud service, but I did not know exactly how to create and deploy and implement the cloud service. In addition, I have no idea which cloud service among AWS service are basic and essential service for startup company. The internet shows me various information, but I cannot find the exact information I'm looking for. The part I was most concerned about was whether AWS would cost me or not. I overcome the challenge I met in this project with AWS documentation. AWS provided me the user guide named AWS documentation, which let me know all information getting started with AWS. They include document, code, video, It is useful to understand the AWS service. Second, I used the YouTube video to understand how to create each service of AWS. Usually I can find the video related with the AWS service in the YouTube. It is a good source for studying AWS service because visualization is much easier to understand the AWS service. Third, I solved my worry that the AWS would cost me a lot during this project. When I created the AWS account for the first time, they emailed me the link that you could get the chance of earning $300 credit for using AWS service. Fortunately, $300 credit went to me and gave me the chance of practicing all AWS service. What I learned from this project is how AWS Cloud Service works and how to create VPC, Active Directory, Workspace, EC2 instance, and company website. I think this project gave me a challenge as well as motivation to improve the skill of cloud-based network implementation. I want to emphasize on the future of cloud service for my future career. Global cloud market will continue to expand rapidly. Gartner forecast end user spending on public cloud service to reach $396 million in 2021 and grow 21.7% to reach $482 billion in 2022. Additionally, by 2026, Gartner predicts the public cloud spending will exceed 45% of all enterprise IT spending, up from less than 17% in 2021. I have heard from Kevin and others that AWS certification is a good source to prove my knowledge and skill and ability of the cloud service. And being an AWS certified open many opportunity for landing a good and high-paying career. It grows credibility that will help me grow in my career. Therefore, I plan to take the AWS certification exam for my career. I wish I will be a professional of cloud service someday. Thanks.